Did you know 3 basic ingredients can make the ultimate guilt-free breakfast? Let's fix your morning drop-offs right now.
Pour in half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. This is the exact perfect ratio for that rich, velvety texture. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Keep it vegan with maple syrup if you prefer. No judgments here. Listen close. Mix it once, wait a minute, then mix it again. Skip this and you get clumps at the bottom.
Pop the lid on and let it set in the fridge overnight. Look at this, thick, solid, 5 times its original size.
Top it off with fresh berries and shredded coconut for that vibrant crunch. Beautiful, portable, and under 100 calories.
Absolutely perfect. Hit that follow button right now and let's conquer your health goals together. I put a lot of love into these videos and your support means everything to me. If you want to keep up with more content from VinshiVibes, make sure to subscribe and join our community.